The content revolution from cringe to change. You know what's fascinating? Every single day, humans create online content to fill millions of books. But here's the real question: how much of it actually makes us better humans? Does that ring bell in your head? Does it? Think about your feed for a second. Between the I ate a sandwich updates and the watch me do this dangerous challenge, oh yeah, yeah, ha, ha, ha. For views, obviously, videos, we have somehow convinced ourselves that this is peak entertainment. Don't get me wrong. I love a good meme as much as anyone, but are we really using this incredible global platform to its full potential? Are we? Are we? Are we? We have got creators out there making millions by encouraging destructive behaviors, promoting artificial conflicts, and turning serious issues into cheap jokes. And sure, some might say, it's just entertainment. But here's the thing: while we are busy laughing at content that mocks differences or amplifies divisions, real human connections are getting lost in the digital noise. Yes. Remember when the internet was supposed to bring humanity closer together? Instead, we have created these bizarre digital tribes. We are so busy arguing about who is right and wrong. We have forgotten we are all just humans trying to figure out this crazy thing called life. You can tell me your definition of life in the comment box below. Okay, all right. Just But here's where it gets exciting. We have this incredible power, this global stage, to create content that actually lifts people up. Imagine if we used our platforms to share stories that bridge cultural divides instead of widening them. Create content that celebrates our shared human experience. Build communities around solving real problems together. Use humor that brings people together instead of tearing them apart. Wouldn't it be nicer and greater? To my fellow content creators, I get it. The algorithm loves drama, conflict gets clicks, but what if we could start a different trend? What if we made meaningful go viral? What if we proved that content can be both entertaining and enriching? Look, I'm not saying every video needs to solve world peace, but maybe just maybe we can find that sweet spot between entertainment and impact, because at the end of the day we are not just content creators, we are cultural shapers. And to everyone watching, you have more power than you think. Every time you choose to encourage, engage with content that builds bridges instead of walls, you are voting for the kind of online world you want to see. Am I making sense? So let's make this shift together. Let's prove that meaningful content can be just as engaging as mindless scrolling, because when we rise above the artificial divisions and connect through our shared humanity, that's when the real magic happens. Remember, the next time you are about to hit that upload button, ask yourself, am I adding light to the world or just some more noise? The choice is ours. Let's make it count. See you in the next video.